Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a percentage discount code in Hostinger website builder. I will also show you how to promote it later using a sticky bar on Hostinger that sticks to the top and shows like that. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log in to your Hostinger account and go to websites. Now, next to the online store where you want to add or create a percentage discount code on, click on Manage Store. This way, you will automatically land on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now, go to Discounts and click on Add Discount. Here, make sure to select percentage below discount type. And here, fill in your discount code name. For example, Black Friday 50. And here for the discount name, your customers won't see the discount name. For example, Black Friday campaign. Here for the discount, I want to give fill in 50 to give 50% discount. And below, since this code is called Black Friday 50 and it is a percentage, this 50 means 50%. Okay, by the way, this discount code can be called anything, for example, even 40, and with 50 below discount, the real discount will be 50%, not what it is written here. Okay, so I will call it Black Friday 50. You can apply this discount code to all products or just specific categories. You can select these specific categories from here or go with all products like I will do. Here you can limit the total number of uses for this discount. For example, you can for example say I am giving 50% for the first 100 customers. So enable this box and write 100 to pause or to disable this discount code after first 100% use. You can also set a minimum purchase amount for entire cards. This condition will apply to the entire card, not just specific products. So let's say, for example, you can instead of the first 100 purchases or client or customers, you can say for orders above $100, I am giving 50% discount. So fill in here 100 to say $100. And here you can activate a start date and time. And you can also set an end date. So here I will not go with start and end date. Click on save. And this is the discount code was added successfully. The code name is Black Friday 50. This is what your customers should fill in to get the discount. This is the campaign name. For example, for easy organization here in the backend. For the type is percent off. The users till now 0 users. The status is active, and below actions you can delete this discount code or edit it. Now let's give my website a visit. So I will go to my online store. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Now let's give my website a visit. So I will go to my online store. Then I will add this $45 sunglass to the bag. And then if I try, I will go to checkout. Okay, here if I fill this discount code, Black Friday 50, and I try to apply it, I will see something. This discount code can't be applied because the order total would be below $100. This means that this minimum purchase amount is not reached yet. So now I will go back to the shopping bag. I will multiply this product till I reach $135, which is above $100. I will go to the checkout. I will fill in my Black Friday 50 discount code, click on apply. As you see, the discount code is accepted, and this is the discounted amount, and this is the new total after the 50% discount. Now let's see how to how to promote this discount code on our website top bar. So here I will, by the way, top bar is a little bar above this logo and this navigation. So how to do this? I need to go back here, switch from the store manager to the website builder. Now here I will just hover over the header bar, and you will see this add sticky bar. Click on it. Here add your promotional text. So for this text I will get the help of ChatGPT. I will ask it, give me copies that I can use for the promotional bar to promote my discount code of 50% for orders above $100. Okay, 50% off orders over $100, use code at checkout. Okay, my code for this is Black Friday 50. Save 50% on orders above $100, code Black Friday. This is good. Here limited time, 50% off. Spend, save Black Friday, half price. I think this one is good, so I will use it. Save 50%. I will paste it here. You can go with, I will underline this text, or okay, I will underline this, and I will make this bold. Okay, I think that's enough. So I will select the bar again from this side to select it, then click on edit section, and I will edit this section color from white to this yellow. Now update my website. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live, and this is the promotional bar, and as you see, it sticks to the top. This is why they call it sticky bar. And this is how to create a percentage discount code on Hostinger and also promote it on the homepage or on the top navigation. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.